In today's video, we will try to make or create stock in item with set the MRP details and set inclusive duties and taxes. With that, we will try to create the items of our stock. For this, come here, gateway of tally, then go with create. Then select stock item under inventory master. Stock item. Now press F12 for set the configuration. Show all configuration made it yes, press Y and press enter, accept yes, and this will be nothing to change, just provide MRP details, made it yes, press Y, and set inclusive duties and taxes, made it yes, nothing to change, press Ctrl A for save. Save is complete. Now we will put our uh, stock item name. In our question, the stock item name are mentioned, so I will put the name, which is Sony LED TV. LED TV. I put it. It will be under LED TV 32-inch, which I made in our last video. Then category is not applicable, and then unit will be on pieces. Then BOM is no. Then GST applicable is applicable. It will be specified details. If you have HSN and SSA details, you can mention here, or if you don't have, then you can just skip this. I just want to skip this for now. Then set GST rate details, then specify or set alter it. That one is will be sorry. Press enter. Then as per company and stock group, this is already I mentioned in our stock group, so nothing to change. Type of supply will be the goods, and set alter MRP, and then I want to put the MRP which is 29,500, so I will made it yes, so press Y for yes. Then allow MRP modification in voucher, I made it yes, because I want to change in another time. Then put the MRP rate, which is 29,500. Sorry for that mistake. Press enter. Inclusive all taxes, nothing to change. Then just press enter. Then I want to put quantity, which is I want to put 10 pieces. Rate will be the 21,000. I want to put the rate. Sorry, I want to see the question first. Just a second for seeing the question. Rate will be 21,000, which is mentioned in our question. I just want to see the question. The total amount is calculated. Accept yes. In the similar way, we will make the next item, which is Philips LED fixture. So we will write the name Philips LED fixture. In press enter, it will be under LED fixture. Category is nothing. Units will be on pieces. GST will be applicable. Nothing to change. This will also be good. Set MRP details. If you want to change this, made it yes. If you don't want to, I just don't want to make this, so I will made it no. Inclusive, I want to make this also no. Just skip this. I want to add quantity which is mentioned in our question, which is 50. Rate will be 1000. Press enter. The value is calculated. Accept yes. When we will press enter, the stock item creation is completed. Will be completed. So press enter for accept yes. The stock item creation is complete. In our next video, we will try to record purchase voucher with GST. Thank you for watching.